plays a crucial role in divine administration, acting as the prime minister and emissary of judgment. In Daniel 12 verse 1, Michael is described as the great prince who protects the people of God, and in Revelation 12 verses 7 to 12, he leads the heavenly army against Satan and his demonic hosts. In this context, the Bible teaches us that Michael will triumph in the final battle where hell will tremble and heaven will rejoice. The cosmic conflict between Michael and Satan, known as the mystery of iniquity, is mentioned by Paul in Thessalonians 2 verse 7. Although we don't have all the details, we know that angels fell due to rebellion against God, as stated in Peter 2 verse 4. This mystery unfolds in the backdrop of God's perfect universe, where eventually Satan's defeat will be inevitable and the powers of darkness will be annihilated by divine justice. Perhaps the comparable passage in Jude 6 places the weight of guilt more directly on the shoulders of the angels. The angels, wrote Jude deliberately, did not keep their first state but left their proper dwelling. Thus, Lucifer's challenge to God and the subsequent fall of possibly a third of the angels who joined him in his wickedness was the greatest disaster in the history of all creation.